Skip-Bo Masters, how to play. The rules are the same as regular Skip-Bo, except for these changes. For a refresher of those rules, check out this video. During setup, give each player 12 coins. Coins are used one of three ways. First, you can pay coins equal to the numerical value of the next card in a building pile in lieu of playing that card. If you do, you must play the next numerical card in sequence. Put the spent coins next to that building pile. You may not pay for multiple cards in succession. You must play a physical card in between payments. Second, you may give another player one coin to play the topmost card from one of their discard piles or their stockpile to any building pile. The other player may not refuse, and the bought card must be played. It cannot be added to your hand or a discard pile. Third, some cards have a toll as indicated by the number of coin icons on them. This is how many coins you must pay to continue your turn after playing that card. If you do not pay, then your turn ends immediately, even if you had other cards you wanted to play. If you do pay, then place the coins next to the building pile where you played the toll card, then continue your turn. Whenever a building pile that has coins next to it is cleared, then, starting with the player who cleared that pile and proceeding clockwise, all those coins are dealt out to all the players one at a time. Some players may get more coins than others. The first player to play all the cards in their stockpile wins.